Okay guys, so as you can see right here on my screen, I have $1,800 here. If you convert that to naira Nigerian currency right now, you can see that is equivalent to over 2 million naira, if I'm not mistaken, with the current exchange rate now. Now please stick around to this video and I'm going to show you how you can get this, and also how you're going to convert it to USDT and withdraw to your Trust Wallet or any wallet of your choice. Okay, and if this is the first time of coming across my channel, please make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping updates regarding this particular wallet, this particular update every single time there is a new update. You will be the first to know, and also I share updates on how to make money here for free. Okay, all right, let's get started. So guys, this is the platform that we'll be using to make money here, and it's called Quantum Wallet. Right now you can scroll down, you can see a video here, a video description telling you everything about this platform, so you can go ahead and watch this video. Click on it to watch this video, it will explain better. You can see the introduction. Quantum Wallet is a globally accessible digital assets storage platform dedicated to providing users with secure and convenient management, and lots of that. Take your time to go through it. You can as well read down below to see a lot of things about this particular wallet. Okay, also do well to make your own personal research if you want to be fully convinced 100% that this particular update and this web wallet is legit. Okay, now as you can see, we have 4 options here: download on Google Play Store, download manually, download on your App Store, download using a test flight application. Now for now, this particular app is on a test mode, so you cannot download it on your Google Store or on your app store. Okay, for those of you using iPhone, I actually recommend that you download a test flight in order for you to download this particular application. So for those of you using Android, all you need to do is click on download manually, and it's going to take you to where you download the APK. Okay, so once you click on download, it's going to load up for you download file again. Because I have downloaded this file before, it's about 30.15 MB. okay, so this is how to download this particular application. For those of you using iOS, that's your iPhone, just click on your Chrome browser and type in test flight. So search for test flight and it's going to pop up. This guys, the first one here is what you're going to download. So once you download and install it using your Google Store, then come back again to that platform and then click on download via test flight. Then once you click on download via test flight, it's going to open up on your test flight, and then you click on install and the app will be installed on your phone. Okay, so once you download the app, it's going to show you something like this once you open the app. So you're going to have options like create wallet or import wallet. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to be creating a new wallet, okay, for you. So click on create new wallet. So you're going to ask you to set a pin code. So I'm going to go ahead and set a new pin code for this. All right, confirm your pin code. Then all you're going to do is just click on the second one and on the third one, and then click on generate mnemonic phrase. And this phrase is a secret code that anytime you go to a new wallet, whether Trust Wallet or any exchange wallet, especially Trust Wallet, something like that, they will give you a code like this for security purpose. So click on generate mnemonic phrase. Now you have 1 to 12 code here. So what I advise you to do is to copy this code somewhere. You can either write it down somewhere or copy it to your clipboard, because they'll be asking you questions about this just to know if you actually remember this particular code. Okay, all right, so once you've done that, click on continue and you will see they ask you another question here. So you have put the secret phrase for number 4, number 10 and number 12. So all I'm going to do, I've already copied this down somewhere. So the one for number 4, it says before says seek, number 10 says deny, and number 12 says pen. So click on pen and then click on next. So as you can see, your wallet is successfully created. Okay, so once you click on me now, your wallet now, you can see this is 0 0. Everything is showing 0 balance. Now you can actually use this wallet to receive your coin or your token. For instance, you can click on receive. You can receive your TRC20 Tron wallet coin to this particular address, and as well you can also send your USDT, your Aton for Tron, and then your TRC coins to your preferred wallet address. Right now everything is 0 0. Now all you need to do is click on invite, Now you are going to submit the invitation code of the person that that took you to this place. I'll be leaving my invitation code for you guys in this video. Okay, so as you can see, my invitation code is 2MXSYG. so all you need to do is just copy this particular invitation code, and when you open your wallet, click put it copy it and paste it in the option for invitation code. All right, but for me, I'm going to put the invitation code of the person that invited me to this particular place. Okay, so I think I've already done that, so I'm going to click on submit. Right, success. Now remember, when we registered this particular wallet, we have just zero now, but now boom guys, we have $900 here for free. $900 here for free. Now this is the first step. Second step is you getting to know about this particular $900. Now as you can see, we have 4 different coin token here. We have the SATU, we have the SATU, we have the SATU, we have the TRS, and we have the USDT. Now the one you have now is the one for SATU. Now you just received 3,000 SATU token. Now 3,000 SATU token is equivalent to $900. Okay, 3,000 SATU token is equal to $900. Now at the moment, this token has not been listed, but the information getting to us from their Telegram platform is that this token will be listed very soon. So the moment this particular token is listed, you will have for yourself 900 USDT, and by that time I'm going to come back to this place to show you how you can withdraw this to any wallet of your choice. Okay, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button below so that you will be informed anytime I post videos regarding this platform. Okay, now try this out, and if you have any question, I'm going to be leaving my WhatsApp link on the description below, so you can chat me up and ask me any question of any kind pertaining to this. Okay, have a nice day guys.